Hello friends, this is Bhavna Thakkar. As you all know, Android 12 is going to be out very soon. In this video, you'll set up your development environment ready for Android 12. You will do 4 steps. First, create a sample app. Second, set up Android 12 SDK. Third, create emulator with Android 12. And fourth step, you will modify your sample app to target Android 12. So let's get started with first step of creating the sample app. Launch Android Studio. Click on create new project. Select any template. I select basic activity. Click next. Accept defaults and click finish. In the project window with Android scope, expand Gradle scripts and go to module level build.gradle. Any sample app that you create with Android Studio, you will see it will target API 30, that's Android 11. In the fourth step, you will modify this to target Android 12. Let's move on to second step, set up Android 12 SDK. For that, go to developer.android.com at this link. Go through this entire page and understand what it asks you to do. For setting up the Android 12 SDK, you are going to follow these 4 steps. Switch to Android Studio. Go to Tools, SDK Manager. Under SDK Platforms, you see Android API 31. Under SDK Tools, SDK Build Tools 31. Check this. And under SDK Platforms, we have check API 31. So these are the 2 things you need for Android 12. Click Apply. It asks for the confirmation what is going to be installed and click OK. You're done with the step 2. Now step 3, create Android emulator with Android 12. In the panel which lists the existing emulators, click on AVD Manager. Alternatively, you can go to AVD Manager from Tools, AVD Manager. Click on Create Virtual Device. Select Pixel 4. Click Next. Go to x86 images and download for API 31. While this download happens, let's check out developer.android.com for Android 12 schedule. Go to developer.android.com at this link and see at the time of this recording, Android 12 Beta 3 is available. To understand what's new in Android 12, you can learn the behavior changes here, new features in APIs, the checklist to migrate your apps. There are some blogs available. We return to Android Studio to see whether the download is completed. Click Finish. Now select API 31, click Next. We launch this. You see that the emulator is launching in the same tool window. This is governed by the preferences. Go to Android Studio Preferences. Search for emulator here and see this checkbox. If you uncheck this, your emulator will run as a standalone application, and if you check it, it's going to launch in the same tool window. You see that your AVD is up and running. Now, fourth step, modify your app to target Android 12. Android 12 is going to be API 31, so we change this 30 to 31. Target SDK version to 31. Click on Sync now. Click Run the app. and you see error. Apps targeting Android 12 and higher are required to specify explicit value for Android exported when corresponding component has intent filter defined. This is one of the behavior changes for Android 12. Go to Android manifest file and you see that your launcher activity has an intent filter defined. So starting Android 12, any component like activity, service or broadcast receiver that has an intent filter defined, you need to specify the exported attribute. This exported attribute indicates whether the other apps or Android system can connect to this particular component. Let's try with exported equals to false and see what happens. Run the app again. It shows launch succeeded, but you don't see the activity being launched. Click on your application and it says app is not installed. What is wrong? The Android exported attribute for launcher activity needs to be true so that the launcher can launch your main activity. Build and run again. Yes, your app has been launched and you see first fragment and the second fragment. Click previous, you come to the first fragment. So with all these 4 steps, you have set up your development environment ready for Android 12. Try it out with your real app. All the best. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.